Only Plumbing, the reliable plumbing service in Newnan, Georgia. We offer excellent plumbing services, including installs, repairs, and maintenance. Our group of knowledgeable plumbers is committed to meeting your needs and providing outstanding outcomes. From dripping faucets to intricate pipe repairs, we tackle everything quickly and competently. Contact our plumbing company near me today for consultation. Are you looking for a plumbing company near me? You can stop looking. You found Only Plumbing. What is difference between plumbing and pipes? Most people equate plumbing with pipes that are attached to a faucet or shower system. Conversely, process pipe work deals with the distribution and connecting of pipes in processing equipment that is frequently connected to industrial enterprises. What type of plumbing lasts the longest? Cast iron or PVC are two materials that are frequently used to make drainage pipes. Cast iron has a lifespan of 75 to 100 years, however PVC is the most durable pipe material and has an endless lifespan. What is your plumbing company near me area for the Newnan, Georgia office? Our local plumbing company near me has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Newnan, Rica, Greenville, Peachtree City, Corinth, Riverside, Roopville, Senoia, Hogansville, Palmetto, Grantville, Raymond, East Newnan, Arnco Mills, Moreland, Georgia. Where is your Newnan, Georgia plumbing company near me services located? We are located at 535 Pine Road number 109 Newnan, Georgia 30263. Our phone number is 770-683-1550. Visit our website, https://www.onlyplumbing.com.